Hello everyone. I read a fan fiction about a week ago and it was so great that I wanted to share it with you guys. It's a Dragon Ball Z fan fiction and it's a Lion King version. It was really funny and nice to read even though watched the movie already. But still, the name simply is Saiyan King and it's made by Teresa. And it has 38 characters. And there's also the next movie in it. And the characters go like this. Mufasa is King Wichita, Simba is Prince Wichita, Nala is Kakarot, Rafiki is King Kai, Timon Yamcha, Pumbaa War, Sarabi Kira, she's an OC, Scar Frieza, Sasu Nappa, Banzai Zenzi, and Ed Verse. And to the next one, the characters are Kiara is Trunks, Kobo is Gohan, and Nuka Ketsu, he's also an OC, and Itani is Goten, and Chira Raditz. Don't ask why, because I have no idea. God, I wish Raditz wasn't in that part, but I can't change it or anything. It's not my fanfiction, but I was still happy with it. And just in case you didn't notice yet, it's Vegeta X Kakarot. So if you don't like that kind of stuff, just don't read it or skip those parts. But if you like it, and if you like it, Lion King, I say you should go and read this. If you can't find this fanfiction, you can send me a comment and I will send you a link to the story. You can find it from fanfiction. And like I said, the main writer is Teresa and the fanfiction's name is Saiyan King. It's really easy to find. I really hope you guys will go and read it or at least check it out. It was really cool. Now I have to go, so I will see you next time and well, bye.